Hey everyone, hope everybody are doing good. Welcome back to Homeschool and a new year greetings to each and everyone present out there. So I know this year is going to be very important for some of you. Many of you are facing your board examinations and some of you are cracking your competitive examinations, right? So you are hoping for your better future. And what I suggest you is start this new year with right intention, with right emotion. Okay, so just visualize whatever you want to achieve with a positive emotion, okay, and also with a positive intention. Set a intention that why you want to achieve something in your life, especially this year. Say suppose if you want to crack a competitive exam, why actually you want to crack the competitive exam, what are the benefit that you are getting out of it, and how well you are going to use that opportunity if you crack a competitive exam. So all that is what I mean by a intention, and that intention you have to set with right emotion. So don't set a intention with a self-doubt, don't set a intention with fear. Okay, so don't set a intention with sadness, okay, inferiority complex, comparison. No, set your goal or intention combining with happiness, okay, combining with gratitude, combining with satisfaction, combining with faith. This is what we call it as emotion. With what emotion you are setting your intention is very important. You know what, some people will set an intention to get 100 in science, but in their heart or in their mind they have this fear, oh, whether this is too much or what for me, or I am in a complete doubt that whether I get 100 or not. That means they are setting their intention with what emotion? With fear, with self-doubt, with comparison, with overwhelming, isn't it? So your emotion should not be that. You have to set your intention with full confidence, with full faith, with full happiness. This is what I meant. Okay, I wish and I pray for every homeschool subscriber that you have happy, wonderful and successful year ahead. Okay, so guys, with this note, I have a exciting news for each one of you out there. May you belong to class 10, may you belong to class 11 or 12, whoever you are, you know that I have certain courses in homeschool application, right? So all these courses are under big offer, okay, right? So especially the target 95 plus course that I made for CBSE and SSLC. Actually, this course is over. This is a live course. I thought I revised all the concepts of class 10 chapters in this course. Say their recordings are available. Okay, so if you want the recordings of those live classes, you can access. Okay, and the course is right now in a very big offer. You can grab the course with a minimum price, guys. Okay, so hurry up and don't miss out this opportunity. If you feel that you lack a concept clarity in a particular chapter, if you feel that you should gain some more knowledge in a particular chapter to answer application question, if you want a knowledge on how to answer application question, if you want your PYQs, if you want lot of questions, if you want handwritten notes, everything is available in this course, guys. Okay, so hurry up and grab this opportunity. There is a month left for CBSE and there are 2 months left for SSLC Karnataka board. So this is the best time if you want to revise all chapters in one shot. Okay, so this course, where is it available? It is available in homeschool application. So you have to download homeschool application. The link is provided in the description. Okay, and if you have any queries relating to any course, you can WhatsApp us through a WhatsApp number. The number is also provided in the description. Okay, so guys, And not only these courses, we have a courses on class 11 chemistry, we have a courses on class 12 chemistry. Those courses are also available under an offer price. Okay, so if you want to kickstart your 2025 with a good intention along with the right emotion, okay, and just if you want to become a hero with all the concepts, if you want to have all the confidence that you should have for board exam or competitive exam, then go and check it out. These courses available for the minimum prices. Okay, so all affordable, all reasonable, and all wonderful, right? So that is all about the news, and in the future I will come up with many revision videos, many tricks and tips also, okay, to help you for your board examination. So take maximum benefit out of the videos that are there in a homeschool channel. And if you have benefited at least with one concept from any video, please do share our videos to your friends and family. Okay, let others also get benefit, and just like the videos and share the videos, and do share your opinion and comment in the respective video about the concept. You can put over your questions. Okay, so you can put over your doubts, or you can just ask anything relating to the subject in the comments. Okay, so that is all about the video. So once again, a very happy new year to each one of you out there. So may this year bring you all the success, okay, that you wanted in your life. Thank you so much.